Getting the initializing, please wait a moment, error on WhatsApp while logging in. Don't worry, I've got you covered. This problem usually happens when the app struggles to connect to its server or load data. Let me show you how to fix it. Solution 1. Check internet connection. An unstable or weak internet connection can cause initialization issues. Swipe down from the top of your phone to open the control panel. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then do the opposite. After that, turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it off. This will restart your internet settings. Now check if your problem is fixed now. Solution 2. Give all permissions. Sometimes this error pops up when WhatsApp doesn't have permissions to access some of your phone's features. To fix it, tap and hold on to the Messenger app icon. Now tap the I button or app info. This will take you to your WhatsApp settings. Now tap on Force Stop and confirm the action. This will completely close WhatsApp on your phone even in the background. After that, go to permissions. Make sure all permissions are given to WhatsApp. For example, the music and audio permissions, location permissions, phone permissions, and so on. After that, go back and see if your problem is fixed or not. Solution 3. Reinstall WhatsApp. If the issue persists, then there might be a problem with your app. Reinstalling it should fix the problem. Tap and hold on to the WhatsApp app icon. Tap on Uninstall. After that, confirm the uninstallation. Then go to Play Store, search for WhatsApp, install it from there. After the reinstallation, open WhatsApp and try to log in again. Now you should be able to log in without any issues. That's how you fix the initializing problem on WhatsApp for Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Catch you in the next one.